Hello and greetings to everyone. Today we are going to treat discount, discount, which is number 10. X. Take this down. A discount is an amount deducted (bracket reduced) from the original price of an article. For example, the original price of an article can be $500 and the seller decides to reduce $20 from the original price. The $20 reduced is a discount. A buyer who receives a discount always pays less than the original price. When we take this down, depreciation is the decline in the value of an item over time. Take for example a computer which was bought for $50,000 in the year 2020 will not worth the same price this year 2025, because with time the computer loses value. The value loss is known as depreciation. Take this down. That is the price of the item reduces with time. Now let's take down these exercises on discount. Exercises for application. Question 1. A man received 10% discount for buying a car. He pays $450,000. What discount amount did he receive? We take a solution. First, we have been given the percentage discount to be equal to 10%. The amount paid by the man for the car is equal to $450,000. We have to find the discount amount the man received. We are going to start by let T to be equal to the original price of the car. Knowing the original price of the car as T, we can find the discount amount. The discount amount, that is the amount which is deducted from the original price, it will simply be equal to 10% of the original price T. And this will be equal to 10 over 100 times T over 1, which is simply equal to T over 100. So this is the discount amount. Next, the amount paid by the man for the car is simply equal to the original price of the car minus the discount amount, that is the amount deducted. And this will give us the amount paid for the car by the man is equal to $450,000. This will be equal to the original price, which is T, minus the discount amount, which is T on 10. T can be written as T over 1. At the right hand side, we have an algebraic fraction of which the LCM of their denominators is 10. 10 divided by 1 gives 10 times T, 10T, minus 10 divided by 10 gives 1 times T, gives us T. We have $450,000 is equal to 10T minus T all over 10. At this level, we are going to say then $450,000 will be equal to 10T minus T gives us 9T over 10. We can express $450,000 as $450,000 over 1 is equal to 9T over 10. At this level, we are going to perform cross multiplication. Then $450,000 times 10 gives us $4,500,000 is equal to 9T. For us to get T, which is the original price, we are going to divide both sides by 9. $4,500,000 divided by 9 is equal to 9T divided by 9. Then our T will simply be equal to $500,000. So this is the original price of the car. Now, knowing the original price of the car, we can find the discount amount. The discount amount is simply equal to T over 10, which is equal to $500,000 divided by 10. $500,000 divided by 10 gives us $50,000. $50,000 is the discount amount the man received for paying the car. Move now to exercise 2. A new car is valued at 15 million francs CFA. At the end of each year, its value is reduced by 15% of its original value at the beginning of the year. What will the car worth after 5 years? Take solution. First, we are going to write down the original price of the car, which is the price of the car at the beginning of the year. It is 15 million francs CFA. We have the percentage, depreciation, the loss in value. The car is depreciation, the percentage loss in value of the car in each year is equal to 15%. Knowing the percentage depreciation in each year as 15%, we can find the value loss in each year. Value loss in each year will simply be equal to 15% of the original price, which is 15 million francs CFA. This will be equal to 15 over 100 times 15 million francs CFA over 1. These two zeros will strike off. 2 zeros. We'll be left with 150,000 times 15, which gives us 2,250,000 francs CFA. So this is the amount lost each year. Now let's find the value loss in 5 years. Value loss in 5 years will simply be equal to, we are going to take 5 times the depreciation each year, which is 2,250,000 francs CFA, and this will be equal to 11,250,000 francs CFA. So this is the value lost in 5 years due to depreciation. We need to find what value the car will worth in 5 years. Value of the car after 5 years will simply be equal to, we are going to take the original price of the car at the beginning, which is 15 million francs CFA, minus the depreciation of the car after 5 years. That is the loss in value of the car after 5 years, which is 11,250,000 francs CFA. This will simply be equal to 3,750,000 francs CFA. It simply means after 5 years, the car would be sold for an amount of 3,750,000 francs CFA. We move now to exercise 3. Goes during a sale, the price of a refrigerator that costs 185,000 francs CFA is reduced by 27,750 francs CFA. Find the percentage discount offered on the sale. Take solution. First, we are going to write down the original price of the refrigerator. The original price is equal to 185,000 francs CFA. We have the discount amount is equal to 27,750 francs CFA. We are to calculate the percentage discount. Percentage discount is equal to, we are going to divide the discount amount by the original price, then we multiply by 100% over 1. This will simply be equal to, the discount amount is 27,750 francs CFA. It's divided by the original price, which is 185,000 francs CFA, times 100% over 1. Performing all necessary simplifications, these 2 zeros will strike off 2 zeros here. This 1 0 will strike off 1 0. 2,775 divided by 185 gives us 15. We attach a percentage sign. That means the percentage discount is 15%. We go now to exercise 4. Exercise 4, a computer valued at 480,000 francs CFA is revalued 3 years later at 280,000 francs CFA. Because after 3 years, the computer will lose value. To what annual percentage depreciation is this equivalent to, in the question mark? We take solution. First, we are going to start by writing down the original price of the computer, which is 480,000 francs CFA. Next, the price of the computer after 3 years. Price after 3 years is equal to 280,000 francs CFA. Next, we need the depreciation amount, that is amount lost. Depreciation amount is equal to the original price minus the price after 3 years. We take 480,000 francs CFA minus 280,000 francs CFA. This will simply be equal to 200,000 francs CFA. So this is the amount lost after 3 years. Next, we have to calculate the percentage depreciation after 3 years. And this will simply be equal to, we are going to divide the depreciation amount by the original price, that we multiply by 100%. Depreciation after the 3 years by original price times 100% over 1. This will simply be equal to, the depreciation after 3 years is 200,000 francs CFA. We divide by the original price, which is 480,000 francs CFA. We multiply by 100% over 1. These 4 zeros will strike off 4 zeros in 200,000. We have to divide 20 by 48. 20 divided by 48 gives us 0.4167. Multiplying the result by 100, it gives us 41.7 percent to one decimal place. Now we can proceed to find the percentage depreciation after 1 year. Percentage depreciation after 1 year will simply be equal to, we are simply going to divide the percentage depreciation after 3 years by 3. This will give us 41.7% all over 3, which will simply be equal to 13.9% to one decimal place. Or another way of getting the percentage depreciation per year, percentage depreciation after 1 year, it will simply be equal to, we are going to divide the depreciation amount after 3 years by 3 to get the depreciation for 1 year. That means we are going to divide 200,000 by 3, which gives us 66,666.7 francs CFA to one decimal place. Then we divide by the original price, which is 480,000 francs CFA times 100% over 1. This will simply be equal to, if you divide 66,666.7 by 480,000, it gives us 0.139 to 3 decimal places. Multiplying the result by 100 gives us 13.9% to 1 decimal places, which is the same result. We are done with this count. If in case you have any problems, feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Please stay tuned for our next video, which is on simple interest.